Qbot is a brand that specializes in producing affordable smartphones that are packed with attractive features, making them a must-have for a variety of consumers. Their collection is constantly growing and improving, and they are now introducing a rugged option that they hope will catch your eye. Introducing the latest addition to the Qbot family, the KingKong Star 5G. The name is fitting when you see its impressive size. This smartphone boasts a sturdy construction and is made with high quality materials, making it a reliable device for everyday use. So with that said, let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer by first unboxing it. So in the box you do get the phone, USB cable, a charger plug, SIM ejection tool and a basic user manual. When deciding on a phone, its dimensions are important to consider. This device is quite large and heavy, measuring 180.2 by 80.8 by 17.8 millimeters. Not to mention also weighing 395 grams. When you partner that up with its 6.78-inch IPS LCD screen, you are getting ample space for activities such as watching movies, playing games, or browsing photos. With a 2K resolution at 1080p by 2460 and an impressive refresh rate, the device provides clear text, vibrant colors, and multiple viewing angles with minimal glare. The device also has a multi-touch display that allows for gesture performance. Additionally, I would like to mention the smaller screen that I've been showing glimpses of. This smartphone has a unique feature, a futuristic 1.9-inch customizable rear screen. This screen allows for a range of different controls and operations to be customized. While it may not be for everyone, being able to interact with more parts of the phone is certainly appealing. This previously unused space can now display extra notifications, the time, and much more. The Qbot KingKong Star 5G has an IP68 protection that ensures its reliability when protecting it against dust and water. This means that your device will remain functional and safe even in harsh environmental conditions. With this phone, you can experience the convenience of having a robust device that can handle anything. Well, almost anything. It certainly makes it a great phone for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. If you're in search of a gaming device, the Star is undoubtedly a great option. Its glorious front IPS display paired with a formidable octa-core CPU can handle even the most demanding of tasks, ensuring smooth and immersive gaming experiences as well as high quality visuals in multimedia applications. The Star's impressive 24GB of RAM and well over 256GB of onboard storage also makes it well equipped to handle any task. Having a higher RAM in a smartphone can greatly improve its performance when it comes to multitasking and gaming. This phone can handle a lot without experiencing any lag. Games like Call of Duty and PUBG offer a great mobile gaming experience without breaking the bank. The rear of the phone is equipped with a multi-camera system that is one of the better ones I've seen in a mid-range Chinese option. With high-resolution sensors, optical zoom capabilities, and advanced image processing, you can expect your photos to have decent clarity and depth. However, it is important to keep in mind that this is still an affordable option, so it does still have its limitations. We also get a 24-megapixel night vision camera mode, which has been a popular feature in mid-range rugged phones recently. This camera surpasses high-end mobile phones in low-light situations, allowing us to capture shots that would otherwise be impossible without this kind of sensor. The pictures come out okay, and it just gives added functionality to this phone. One of the standout abilities of the KingKong 9 is its exceptional battery life. With over 10,600 milliamps, heavy usage throughout the day is no problem. And then if you only moderately use it, the battery could easily last over a week. And when it comes to recharging, that 33 watts of fast charging power ensures a speedy process. So in terms of battery and power, well, you have nothing to be concerned about. The KingKong Star 5G phone comes with a built-in fingerprint reader that provides a simple and secure way for users to unlock their devices and safeguard their personal information. Additionally, we also have the added benefit of also having face unlocking. This gives users the option to choose between face or fingerprint unlocking for added security. Moreover, we also have NFC technology. This feature is essential in today's world where most people are relying on their phones for their daily transactions and activities. So to have this on a phone like this, well, it is just an added benefit. Overall, this phone is a powerhouse, boasting not only a rugged construction but also high processing performance for gaming and multitasking. The KingKong Star 5G phone is equipped with dual SIM capabilities, allowing users to keep personal and business communications separate. It's definitely a phone worth considering. Be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.